If you're commuting, road tripping, or off-roading, a puncture can ruin your day. But what if you could fix it in seconds without a jack or spare tire? In this video, I'm reviewing the top 6 tire sealants for cars available on the market. From Fix-A-Flat to TireJect, stay tuned to find your perfect emergency fix. Number 1. Fix-A-Flat S60420 Car Tire Sealant. Fix-A-Flat S60420 is a trusted emergency tire sealant that instantly repairs punctures up to 1/4 inch and inflates tires for immediate mobility. Its eco-friendly formula and modern performance top cap ensure safety for users, tires, and the environment. Ideal for sedans, coupes, and sports cars, this 16-ounce can provide a temporary fix. Professional repair is recommended within 3 days or 100 miles. Key features: repairs tread punctures up to 1/4 inch, eco-friendly formula with recyclable performance top cap, TPMS safe, no jack, tools, or spare tire needed, instantly inflates to lift the rim off the ground, compact design for trunk storage. Number 2. TireJect Automotive Compact Car Tire Sealant. TireJect Automotive Compact Car Tire Sealant offers a TPMS-safe, non-damaging solution to seal bead leaks and tread punctures up to 1/4 inch, ensuring compatibility with tires up to P215 by 50 by 17. Its liquid rubber formula creates a permanent seal, while the included dispensing cap and hose simplifies installation without professional tools. Designed for reliability, it protects rims and sensors, while providing long-lasting tire integrity for compact cars. Key features: 100% safe for TPMS, rims, and tires, seals bead leaks, and 1/4 inch tread punctures, permanent repair with liquid rubber formula, includes easy install dispensing cap and hose, compatible with tires up to P215 by 50 by 17. Number 3. AIRMAN 450 ml Unibottle Car Tire Sealant. AIRMAN 450 ml Unibottle Car Tire Sealant is a universal OEM-approved solution trusted by vehicle manufacturers to seal punctures up to 6 mm and provide 125 miles of safe travel for roadside emergencies. Its water-based, non-toxic formula works seamlessly with TPMS systems and requires no tools, valve removal, or technical skills, simply connected to a standard tire compressor for instant repair. Designed for all makes and models, including wheels up to 20-inch rims, it combines safety, simplicity, and reliability. Key features: universal fit, compatible with all vehicles, no tools or skills needed, works with any tire compressor, TPMS safe, non-toxic, and non-corrosive water-based formula, seals puncture up to 6 mm, provides 125-mile temporary repair range, OEM approved for quality assurance. Number 4. Road Car Tire Sealant. Road Car Tire Sealant offers a 3-pack bundle of fast-acting inflator sealant that seals punctures and reinflates tires in seconds, compatible with all wheel types and TPMS systems. Its non-flammable, water-soluble formula ensures safe, hassle-free use and easy cleanup without sticky residues. Perfect for quick roadside fixes, this compact solution keeps drivers prepared for emergencies with minimal effort. Key features: 3-pack convenience for multiple uses, seals, plus inflates tires instantly, universal fit, TPMS safe and non-flammable, water-soluble for easy cleanup, compact design for emergency storage. Number 5. Point STP19065 Car Tire Sealant. STP19065 is a temporary tire inflator and sealant that seals punctures up to 0.25 inches wide and reinflates tires without tools, providing 3 days of air retention for safe, slow driving to a repair facility. Its non-flammable TPMS-safe formula and universal hose ensure easy, versatile application for most vehicles. Designed for roadside emergencies, this 16 fluid ounce can deliver quick fixes but requires professional repair for permanent solutions. Key features: seals plus inflates punctures up to 0.25 inches. TPMS safe and non-flammable formula. 3-day temporary hold for slow-speed driving. Universal hose for easy, tool-free application. Compact 16 fluid ounce can for emergency storage. Number 6. Fix-A-Flat S60197 Car Tire Sealant. Fix-A-Flat S60197 is a trusted emergency tire repair solution that instantly seals tread punctures up to 1/4 inch and reinflates tires to lift rims off the ground. Its eco-friendly formula, paired with a recyclable performance top cap, ensures safety for users, tires, and TPMS sensors, with no tools or jacks required. Designed for standard tires, this 16 ounce can provide a temporary fix. Professional repair is recommended within 3 days or 100 miles. Key features: seals punctures up to 1/4 inch. Eco-friendly formula with recyclable performance top cap. TPMS safe. No tools, jack, or spare tire needed. Instantly reinflates tires for immediate mobility. Compact 16 ounce can for trunk storage. If you need a quick emergency fix with Fix-A-Flat, a permanent solution like TireJect, or a compact, no-mess sealant for your trunk, there's a product here to suit every driver's needs. Remember, tire sealants are great for getting back on the road quickly, but always follow up with a professional repair to ensure long-term safety.